Good evening, friends. Today, our topic of discussion is India and Russia agree on 2+2 meeting. On April 28, 2021, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that he and Russian President Vladimir Putin had agreed to establish a 2+2 meeting between the two nations' foreign and defense ministers. In a tweet, Modi said, he had an excellent conversation with my friend President Putin and they decided to launch a 2+2 to add further momentum to our strong strategic partnership. The move comes as a blow to US President Joe Biden's administration, which has been encouraging India to move away from Russia and come closer to the US. But India is trying to balance its relationship and avoiding being too reliant on Quad alone to counter China. Quad, consisting of US, Japan, India, and Australia, has emerged as a major political, economic, and military platform for the Indo-Pacific region. But India's traditional defense ties with Russia are much deeper in the field of security. India is Russia's largest customer of arms. India had 2+2 dialogue with all Quad members, that is, US, Japan, and Australia. US and India have convened 3 such meetings, with the latest held in October 2020 when the then US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Defense Secretary Mark Esper visited India to meet External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. India and Japan were planning to hold their second 2+2 meeting in April 2021 to pave the way for Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga's visit to India in May 2021. Both events have been postponed due to the pandemic. Since gaining independence in 1947, India has traditionally adhered to the principle of non-alignment. More recently, it has adopted a foreign policy principle of strategic alliance. However, for defense equipment, India has always turned to Russia. India has more than 250 Russian MiG fighter planes and 274 Su-30 jets under license. India and Russia have also collaborated to develop and produce BrahMos cruise missiles in India. India is completely dependent on Russian tanks. India and Russia are jointly producing AK-203 rifles at Amethi, UP. Besides, Indian Navy is also heavily dependent on Russian ships and submarines. When Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov visited India in early April 2021, he told reporters the two countries were discussing additional production of Russian military equipment in India. Meanwhile, the US had warned India that it could face sanctions if it proceeded with the purchase of Russia's S-400 surface-to-air missile system under a deal signed in 2018. The timing of Indo-Russian 2+2 meeting comes at a time when Washington's slow response to India's COVID crisis caused some bitterness in India. India was also disturbed when recently a US warship intruded into Indian territorial water near Lakshadweep under freedom of navigation operations in India's exclusive economic zone. This had caused some bitterness in India-US relations. Recently, a number of regional countries, including Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Indonesia, are trying to broaden their relations so that they are not necessarily reliant on any single external power in order to counter China. To counter China's offensive, Vietnam had in 2019 invited a Russian oil company and then employed a Japanese oil rig to counter China. India is improving its relations with Russia as India considers that Joe Biden is not a dependable ally and therefore is trying to broaden its relationship and friendship with Russia also. Recently, it was being felt that Biden administration wants to go soft on China and non-helping attitude of US has only given India a chance to come closer to Russia, India's old and most dependable ally. India is keen to keep its relationship with Russia on track, especially as Russia is trying to improve its relations with Pakistan. There could also be connection with the US pullout from Afghanistan, both for India and Russia's security. Afghanistan is very important, so India and Russia would like to fill the gap created in Afghanistan after withdrawal of US troops. Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh, India's former Deputy Chief of Staff, described the holding of India-Russia 2+2 meeting as an excellent diplomatic development and the need of the hour. Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh said that bilateral relations with Russia is time and environment tested, and that with the majority of Indian military equipment are of Russian origin and there is a natural bond for upgrading and modernization. India has established 2+2 with Australia, with whom India's relationship is maturing, but not on the same level as India's traditional ties with Russia. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.